Greetings and welcome to Learn Maps for Mac, a video tutorial from themacu.com. These lessons will focus on the Apple Maps app that comes built into every Mac. If you haven't already, view the Maps for iPhone and iPad tutorial to see how to use the iOS version of Apple Maps. Let's get right into it and go through the general interface of the Maps app. Like many Mac applications, we have a sidebar along the left edge of the window and the main content to the right. We can hide the sidebar with a click on this button. The shortcut Control-Command-S will also show and hide the sidebar. When we click on an item within the sidebar, such as Saved Places, a second panel slides out to show those items. Within the map, your current location is marked by this blue dot. We can always recenter the map to our current location with a click on this location arrow on the right side of the window. The shortcut Command-L will do the same. This will only work if we have location services activated for maps in the privacy settings. Notice that location services can be deactivated for this entire Mac here, or we can deactivate location services for individual apps below. Maps is activated, and the location arrow here tells us that it is currently using location data. Macs get their location from their Wi-Fi connection, unlike an iPhone which will use its GPS chip. In the far upper left, we have a User button. Click here for quick access to map settings. Below that, we have the Map Modes button. We will cover these in the next lesson. Next, we have Zoom buttons. Single-click the plus or minus buttons to zoom the map in or out. Of course, we can also use Command plus and Command minus to zoom in and out as well. We can turn the map by rotating 2 fingers on the trackpad. After doing that, we can quickly snap back to north, being towards the top of the window, with a click on the compass button here, or use the shortcut Shift, Command, Up arrow. In the lower right corner, the current temperature and air quality of the area displayed on the map is shown. Move to a different city, and that data changes. Single click, and the current location will be brought up in the Weather app. Next up, we will go over the different map modes.